How to customize your meal. Welcome back to Happy Eating Challenge. The goal for the Happy Eating Challenge is you can customize your meal by yourself. Like I said in a previous video, our meal consists of 一汁三菜, that means 1 soup and 3 dishes, and always keep it to 80% full. First, decide the main course. I have already shown you many recipes, so choose one main course from them. I decide my main course simply based on what I want to eat. I go grocery shopping once or twice a week. I get various ingredients that I likely to use in the next few days, and I keep it in my freezer, and I make some meal prep when I have time. After I decide on my main course, I'm going to decide on the side dishes. When I make karaage, the side should be lighter and should be seasoned with vinegar. If the main course is heavy and rich, choose the light side dishes, and vice versa. If you choose the lighter main course like fish, I would add egg in my miso soup to make up the balance and make it satisfying. When I eat fish today, I eat chicken tomorrow, and rotate the ingredients, chicken, pork, and then fish and beef. And if you rotate the cooking method like grill, pan fry, deep fry, you will have endless variations of dishes and never get bored. Now you know lots of recipes that you can choose from, and you can combine them together on your preference. The point is, find your own balance. I hope you are enjoying the Happy Eating Challenge as much as I do. Click like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. And always keep it to 80% full. アレックス君。